Welcome to the Hemlock State Explorer. We are at Trough Creek State Park Campground in Huntingdon County, Pennsylvania, just east of Raystown Lake. There we start off with Site 1 to our left. Looks like odds are to our left, evens are to our right. This is a very small campground, I believe 27 sites total, and it's just in one loop. So there's Site 3, 2, 4 beyond it, 5 to our left. All of the sites have electric, and as you can see, they're all open. To our left is a gravel footpath that bisects the campsite. The amphitheater is at the top of a small hillock. There's Site 6. These sites up here around the curve seem to have a little bit more cover. There's 8, 9, and we're rounding the curve already, which means we've passed half the park, or half the campground rather. It's like 8's a pull-through site. 10, 11, 12, 13. So these sites up here, if you notice, starting at the end of the curve and going around, have tent pads, whereas the sites on the legs, not the curve, did not have tent pads. There's 14, 13, 15 is a short site. 16 looks like a little bit of a walk-in. There's 19 in the playground, just behind 19. Yeah, there's some tents back there. Site 16 and 17 look to be walk-in. 18. Extra car parking area. Looks like room for 2 or 3 cars. Coming around the curve. Site 21. Site 20 is immediately adjacent to the playground area, and 23 next to it is also very close to the playground area and adjacent to the latrines. Site 22. So Trough Creek State Park does not have a bathhouse, only latrines. It looks like 2 structures with two latrines in each. Some more extra car parking to our right. Firewood for sale. $5. So $5 for one of these bundles. $26 to our left. 24. 25 behind it. 28, okay, 27 and 29. Okay, so there weren't 27 sites, there are in fact 29. We're back at about the middle of the easternmost leg by the latrines, and we're going up the path over the hillock to the western leg, just so you can see the amphitheater. And if you were on the western leg, this would be the quickest path to the latrines, just coming from the other direction. The amphitheater. So there it is, Trough Creek State Park. They have latrines, but no bathhouse, and certainly no cell reception. We actually lost cell reception probably a good 15-20 minutes from the park. The park is down in a gorge next to Great Trough Creek as it flows into Raystown Lake, and there are very interesting things to see around here, including the famous balanced rock and the ice cave. So join us on those other adventures.
Thanks for joining us on another campground review. But that's not all there is to see and do at Trough Creek State Park. Be sure to check out our post on the amazing balanced rock, which is literally a boulder balanced on the edge of a cliff. And explore the ice mine, a chilly oddity that stays cold even in the heat of summer. And see all of our campground reviews and other adventures at hemlockstateexplorer.com. Please like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you on the next adventure.